Hey, welcome back to the original Granite Bracket, where today I'm showing you how easy it is to install your heavy-duty utility bracket or your heavy-duty utility rack. Both of these are insanely sturdy, available in multiple lengths, a slanted edge for safety. They are for interior or exterior and will support over 600 pounds per bracket. Let me show you how easy this is. A little pro tip is to pilot hole drill your holes first and then use our number 12 2-inch wood screw, or however you want to mount it with a screw of your own, in the holes as seen. Our heavy duty utility bracket or rack is made of aluminum and gives you versatility like you've never seen before. Whether you're trying to declutter your garage by hanging a floating shelf, or maybe you need to store lumber, garden tools, or various other materials, our utility brackets, they have your back. And listen, the question we always get is how heavy? I told you they support up to 600 pounds. I am not 600 pounds, but however much you need to do there, it will support it. Make sure you order from us, the original granitebracket.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll get right back with you. Hope to talk to you soon.